So hi there, I'm Ton. So hi there, I'm Tom and welcome to my YouTube channel all about filmmaking, photography, social media and marketing and my life as a freelancer in filmmaking. I've been doing filmmaking for 10 years now. Don't be shy, hit that subscribe button and bell notification so you'll be notified when the next video drops. And today we are talking about iPhone filmmaking, smartphone filmmaking, and how this smartphone filmmaking, social media is changing the world right now. Everything is changing, even filmmaking is changing to different forms of storytelling thanks to the iPhones and all the smartphone technology that is so available these days. And we just cannot ignore smartphone cinematography and where this road takes us. I am a filmmaker. I shoot on Red cameras, I shoot on Sony mirrorless cameras. I made this journey from first the handheld cameras, then first digital cameras that took some video too, or like 640 to 320 or something like that. And then first DSLRs like Canon T2i. Then I made the upgrade from Canon T2i to Canon 5D Mark III. And then I transitioned from then to Red cameras and high-end cinematography. But you know, it's evolving and we just cannot ignore what these babies actually do and how these smartphones, you know, this is amazing camera, right? This has 4K, this has 120 frames per second on full HD. I have like super wide angle, like 14 millimeters. Then I have this wide angle in here. It's so smart. I can have such a good quality image straight from the camera. It pushes the shadows and it does what it has to do to make the image really high quality, like straight from in here. I was super happy when I upgraded from iPhone 7 to iPhone 11. I was so happy, like what can I do with this? So I have this phone like for a year now and this is so good what you can actually do with it. And I want to talk about iPhone cinematography. And you know, the world is changing. And the world is changing really fast thanks to the social media. New social media like pops up every year, every half a year, like Clubhouse, TikTok, then Instagram. Adding these Instagram Reels and YouTube, these YouTube Shorts. It is great opportunity for us small creators to get some exposure really fast and get our videos to larger audience. So if you're watching this, thanks to YouTube Shorts, because first time my YouTube Shorts hit the algorithm and I got some views. Finally, so awesome. Ironically, it is a YouTube Short shot on iPhone 11. What the hell? Something I shot on iPhone actually got an exposure on YouTube. It is so amazing. I'm really trying now to shoot more on iPhone. I'm currently doing this stuff that I help local restaurants and cafes by making them a video, putting it on TikTok and IG Reels, make some views for them, and I really hope it will help them some way and get some exposure to them. So this is really interesting for me because I was always this guy that thought that, you know, having a better gear will just make better videos. And of course, in professional world, you need to have high quality lenses, high quality light and high quality, you know, cameras. And what is Sony doing to its cameras? They are so affordable. And now I'm shooting on the Sony a7 III and the quality is amazing. In my days, this wasn't, you know, an option to have this quality image you're seeing right now, so cheap. I don't want to be this guy that just shoots Sony, the blurry backgrounds. I don't think that it is that much important now that we have these babies right here. iPhone cinematography is just being authentic and tell the story right. The iPhone will just make the things just so much easier, you know, shoot vlogs from your day and to inspire other filmmakers or creators or whatever your audience is. The iPhone and the smartphone cinematography is just mind-blowing what you can do with this. If this is something that is holding you back, just, you know, use your phone, use whatever you have, even though it will not be this kind of quality, but the quality is in the content. If you are the quality that is speaking passionate about your business, about your person, the quality is now something different than it was before. But if you want to tell the story, I think the iPhone cinematography or smartphone cinematography that is starting to have some sort of exposure, that you don't need this expensive gear to tell a good story. I don't know, be a filmmaker, photographer, or you're starting a brand business to sell some t-shirts or if you are a musician, you can shoot something funny or something with a story on your iPhone, put it out there, and you can possibly get 1 million views, and this can really start your career. Like, you don't need these blurry backgrounds now, you just need to tell the story right. So I think this is what the iPhone cinematography is doing for us right now, and in the future this will grow. I even seen some music videos shot on iPhone 12 and iPhone 11 that just looks good, you know. If you're a good filmmaker and you're a good storyteller, people will listen to your story, not thanks to the great camera gear you own, but because you are super passionate about things you do or about the story you are trying to tell. If you want to hang out on my YouTube channel, I will be so happy if you give me subscribe, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when the next video drops. So I am so happy that you've been here and watched this video. I really appreciate it, and see you next time. Bye. Oh my God. So now I am making notes. First videos I did, I just was talking whatever come to my mind, and now I'm really trying to make this and learning every day. So now I'm making notes, you know, by end of the video, a little something in the end of the video.